Hi guys, welcome to today's video where we are going to discuss how to import data from an image into Microsoft Excel. So I've got this image in Excel. I just imported it into Excel just to show you that I've got this image and I can't really do anything with it. I want to use the information in this image in an Excel sheet, and from this I can't really use this image, but luckily there is an easy way to import the data from this into Excel, and I'll quickly show you how. So you can just head over and open up a new sheet, click wherever you want, where your table, where you want to import your table to, and we are heading to the top of the ribbon to the data tab. Once you've got to the data section, in the ribbon we'll head over to the get and transform data, and at the top here we'll see a little image with a camera, so that you can import a picture from a file. So I'm going to click on that and you'll head over to wherever your image is in your computer, and I'll just import this, and as soon as I click that you'll actually see Excel working on analyzing your image, and I'll show you how Excel displays this. So here you've got your original image, your picture, and this is the table as Excel would import your data. So immediately you'll probably see some red cells that are highlighted here, and if you click on it, this will show you to which cell it references to your image. And this actually just means that Excel is unsure of the data that is in the picture, and it needs you to confirm that either it's spelled correctly or that your numbering or whatever it may be is correct in the image. And as you can see, there's nothing actually wrong here, so I'm just click and accept it. Same with this, we'll accept that. And each time you click on it, it references straight to your picture, so you will clearly see where is a problem. So here you can see just a reference there, and actually if I look closely, and this is important because I would highly recommend that you go through the data, even if Excel hasn't highlighted a cell in red, there might be something wrong. As you can see here, it's a capital letter C with Excel put in a lowercase c, so I'm just gonna replace that, and probably the bottom one as well, that's also a lowercase. So Excel can make mistakes, so that is why you should actually look through this data, make sure everything is spelled correctly, your numbering is correct, so that you cannot blame Excel for anything that happens. And Excel will, if you press the insert button, there will be this prompt that you are responsible for validating the accuracy of your data. And it's very important to note that, because if you copy a table or a list from a picture and something is wrong, unfortunately they can't do anything about that. You are still responsible for all the data. So please remember, just comb through your table and make sure everything is correct. So once I press insert data, you'll see it inserts the table just as it is, and I'll actually let's just bring over the image to this side so that you can clearly see everything has been entered correctly, and we are happy with this. And now I can actually work on this data. I can use this data and I can expand the set or do whatever I want to, and I don't have to struggle typing in each cell from this table into Excel manually. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please remember to like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to our channel so that you please do not miss any new content that we will be posting, and hit the notification bell. That will always help you to remember And thank you guys so much and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.